Well, hey folks, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. I got a new toy. This is the Dynalog 600 GPS drone off of Amazon. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I got this. Instead of doing an unboxing, because Dynalog already has some really good videos for how everything that's in the package and all the boxing and all the controls. And I'll tell you straight up, I am an absolute beginner. I'm 60 years old. The only drone I've ever flown was one of those little helicopter things, and I crashed it. I did try my friend's drone. I also crashed it, but I loved it so much because it had a video camera on it that I decided to get me one because I live off-grid and I do a lot of hiking, a lot of camping, a lot of adventuring with my dogs. I wanted to be able to take something along so that I could get a different perspective, take some videos and some pictures up above me of some of the beautiful scenery that's around my area. That's why I got a drone. Now, I did take this out. And I tried it in both the GPS and the ATTI mode. I don't even know what those letters stand for, except that it means that you're not flying with GPS. And I'll show you those videos in just a second, because I did some pretty spectacular crashes with this drone. But what I want to tell you is, it didn't hurt the drone, okay? I ran it into the trees 2 or 3 times, ran it down onto the ground a couple of times, no damage at all to the drone. So that's a good feature for a beginner, because you're probably like me, you're probably going to crash this thing several times when you get started. So let me go ahead and show you these videos, and I'll tell you what I like about this, because, you know, I have nothing to compare it to, no other drones, and you can see some video footage, kind of get an idea of how it flies a little bit. Now, I can tell you, I had trouble getting it connected first to the GPS. Once I got connected, I only got 6 satellites, and the pros recommend that you have at least 8 to 12 satellites. So I was having some trouble controlling it with the GPS on. It tended to either lose the signal or something and go flying off. So I'm going to say I blame it on the GPS, but it could be operator error too, because I'm still learning how to do the controls. I didn't have as much trouble flying it in the ATTI mode without the GPS. I was able to stabilize it and control it a lot better. And I was able to actually get some video footage and kind of turn it around and see a few things. So I'll show you those videos. That will give you an idea of the video quality and maybe some of the faux pas that can happen when you're a beginner like me, just learning how to fly a drone. Other than that, I will say that I think it's an excellent product for the price. Very good beginner drone. Something that you and your kids can go out and fly. Now, it is recommended 14 and over on these drones. It does come with the controller, 2 batteries, everything you need to get started. Fairly easy setup. The app works really well. Here's those videos.
Don't tell me how to think. Don't tell me how to talk. Don't lay your trip on me, 'cause you don't walk my walk. I am my own man. There ain't no one else like me. I am my own man. And I live as I please. You want a fancy house, driving a fancy car, just another foolish puppet. I know who you are, but I am my own man. There ain't no one else like me. I am my own man. And I live as I please. You are just a symptom of a world that's gone awry, thinking you must fit into this world to survive. Well, if you want to fit in, brother, that's alright by me. But don't look down upon a man who chooses to be free. I am my own man. There ain't no one else like me. I am my own man. And I live as I please. You are just a victim of a worldwide disease, selling out your soul for corporate gold and selfish greed. Well, if you want to sell out, brother, that's alright by me. But don't look down upon a man who chooses to be free. I am like me. I am my own man, and I live as I please. I am my own man. There ain't no one else like me. I am my own man, and I live as I please. I am my own